Good morning students, how are you? Now see next topic of chapter number 8, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. See student, complementary angle means sum of two angle is 90 degree. In right angle triangle ABC, if this one angle is theta, then student this one angle become 90 degree minus theta. 90 degree minus theta. Why 90 minus theta? Triangle angle sum property is saying sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. See, sum of all angles is 180 degree. So that's why if this one is theta, so this one become 90 minus theta. So student, first formula, sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Second, cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Third one, tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. Fourth, cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta. Fifth, sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta. Last, cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. If anyone can ask, you can prove also this one, right or wrong. We will take first one as example. See student, in first one left hand side sin 90 degree minus theta means angle become, consider this one, in front of this one is perpendicular BC upon AC. Sin 90 degree minus theta is BC upon AC, P upon S. Here cos theta, so this one perpendicular, this one base. Cos is what? B by H, BC by AC. Hence it is proved. So you should write in your mind sin 90 degree minus theta cos theta, cos 90 degree minus theta sin theta, tan 90 degree minus theta cot theta, cot 90 degree minus theta tan theta, sec 90 degree minus theta cosec theta, cosec 90 degree minus theta sec theta. Now see beta exercise 8.3. See question number 1, third part, cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. They are saying evaluate. See student, you can change, in place of 48 you can write 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 is what? 48. Cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. Theta is what? 42 degree. Minus sin 42 degree. Give reason. Cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree equal to 0 is our answer. Now see beta question number 2. In question number 2 they are saying show that, see second part, cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. So you can start with, we take LHS. So as it is LHS, you can write cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. See student, this one up to you. Either you can change 38 degree or you can change 52 degree. This one up to you. I am changing 38 degree. See, in place of 38 you can write 90 minus 52. 52 as it is. Here also 38. In place of 38 you can write 90 minus 52 into sine 52. Why? 90 minus 52 is what? 38. 90 minus 52 is what? 38. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Theta क्या है? 52 डिग्री into cos 52 डिग्री. sin 90 minus theta क्या होता है? cos theta. cos 52 डिग्री into sin 52 डिग्री. Reason, sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Give both reason. See, same minus same equal to 0. LHS equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved.